Nectarines and blueberries in Prosecco. Some marinated fruits. Peaches are great, but if you don't have peaches, I found these great nectarines today, and they're just as good. Wash the fruit, of course, and then just... Powdered sugar. Powdered sugar releases all the juices of the fruit. And it depends how ripe and how sweet the fruit is on how much you put. Okay. And then we'll go for the good stuff. Prosecco. In Italy, we do a lot of this kind of marinated fruits in Prosecco, in red wine. A little Prosecco, a little white wine, a little peach schnapps here to reinforce the peach flavoring. And you want to serve this brothy. I will put just a little bit more of the Prosecco. Okay. And then some blueberries with this. Just like that. All of that. Let's put some fresh mint in there. You really don't want to eat the mint, but it will give a lot of flavor to the peaches and the juice. Okay. So let me just taste how sweet it is. Plenty sweet, but I think a little more. I like mine really juicy, so you get this beautiful glass full of fruit and the juice underneath. Okay, so this is all set. Put it in the refrigerator for an hour until it chills, an hour or two, and it's ready to serve. Most of the desserts, and the ones that I love most, were really involving fruit. I just loved seasonal fruit, just plain peaches, ripe, soaked in wine, and a little bit of juice and a little bit of mint. Fruit is always a good choice for me. They look good. I think the nectarines really absorbed a little Prosecco, and altogether looks really great. Now let's present it nice and chilly. I like it like that. Or maybe add just a little bit of mint like that, and you bring it to the table, and it's beautiful. And let them help themselves, or you can help them out. Let's see. I will help myself. Let's prepare my dish here. Oh, a lot of blueberries. For the nectarines here. Okay. And again, we can put a little bit of a sprig of mint right in there. This is typical Italian after a nice meal. It's a refreshing fruit dessert, if you will. Now, let's taste this fruit dessert. Digging in. Peachy, minty, Prosecco-y, all of those elements come together, but very fresh and very tasty.